Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. I do all sorts of unboxings. I do makeup, jewelry, lifestyle, a lot of mystery boxes. And I have a new box or bag to my channel. I guess it's the current rave out there. It's the Temu. And everybody's been unboxing it. This box or bag comes from China, and it has super affordable items. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. And I probably got this idea off of one of you guys. So I had it in my cart for a while and I watched a couple of you and the items actually looked good. So I went ahead and ordered it. And then as I'm waiting, I'm watching more of you unbag it. And I went ahead and I ordered another one. So I did get the first one and now I'm waiting for the second one. Okay, I am currently interrupting your regularly scheduled video because I forgot I have a giveaway winner. I had 2 current giveaways going on and I am revealing one of the giveaway winners. So somewhere in this video, there will be the giveaway winner and that person has 24, 48 hours to either DM me with your information so that I can send out your package, or my email address is in my video link, so you can just email me if you're more comfortable your mailing address so that I can mail out your package. And then I will have the other winner in an upcoming video for the second giveaway winner. And I also wanted to let you know, because I had put in there that I didn't know what this item was. It came with these headpieces and this stick, and I had no idea what it was for. So I went ahead and researched it. So you just stick on the little end piece. As I said, they come separate. It came with a bunch of these and then the stick. And I ordered these because I have the shower doors that have the silver in between there that is super hard to clean. So you just take this in your shower and you can, like, I spray it and leave the spray in there for a few hours, and then you can go back in there and kind of clean it up. And I completely forgot what these were for. So that is it. And you can like work it around like your toilet area or around your sink in the kitchen. There's so many purposes for this. And I think it came with, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 of these little extra scrubbies. So if it works really well, I will reorder these. So that's what these were for. And then I also mentioned I had no idea what I paid for the order. It came to like $33. Some of the items were discounted, and then I think it was a $5 off coupon. So with tax and everything, it came to $33. And you'll also see the list of everything, what I paid for everything, and the total in this video as well. So I just wanted to get back to you with that there is a giveaway winner in here, and please congratulate her in the comments below and what this was for. And then again, I didn't pay $60 for this stuff. I'm like, that seems like a lot of money. And I actually went and looked at my receipt and it was $33, which seems a lot more reasonable. So please forgive me, and we'll get back to the regularly scheduled video. And again, you guys have an awesome day. So the first item, I already opened it just to check it out. it's like these refrigerator mats, and they come in all sorts of different colors. So you just put them, line your refrigerator so nothing leaks or sticks or gets nasty in there. And they're thin, but you know, this part will stick, and then you can just wipe it off. And I thought these would be cool. So now my next project is to do, I have 2 refrigerators. Actually, I have 3. I have one in the inside, and then of course we have one on the outside, and then one in the RV. So I don't know if this will be enough to cover all the refrigerators, but how festive are the colors? And I don't know if there's a price sheet in here that tells me what I ordered and how much, but these were only maybe $3, so I thought that was a good investment. And then the next thing was this little scrubby brush. With our hard water here, it just like sticks to the tubs and the showers. So I thought this would be a cool thing to get down there, and then my nails won't be bad. And this is probably $1 or $2. And then, I think I mentioned it in an earlier video, but we've been hooked on Yellowstone. It's just such a nice inventive show. It's fun, it's action-packed, you know, not a lot of bad words in there. So it's a fun show to watch. And of course, I had to get me a shirt. Now this it's kind of a polyester feel to it. I wasn't sure how their clothing would be. I know a lot of people have ordered their clothing, and I think I ordered like a extra large, but I don't even know if this will be big enough. But I thought this was a fun shirt, just to throw on shirt. And I think, I want to say I paid like $10 for it. And then of course I went wild. I don't know what I was thinking, but I bought these little scrubby brushes to get like on the thing in the shower. You know, it always gets like icky and around the toilet. So this will clean like anything. So I thought that looked pretty cool. Of course, I can't read what it says, but I think I can figure it out. And this was probably a couple bucks. On this first order, I spent like maybe $66 because again, the shirt was like 10. And then I thought I tried their masks, and I love a good foot mask. So I got the Peach Foot Peel Mask. And I think these might have been like $3. And then I got the exfoliating foot mask in lavender. Oh, I think there's 2 in here. So there's 2 in here. And then, oh, this is what I was waiting for. You know how you have on your packages, it's got your name or address? This is like that stamper that will stamp out your address. So the next time I film a video, I'm gonna try my stamper to see if you can see my address. But I thought I needed those, and I think Amazon, they're like $10 or $15. And then I have these. I don't remember what they're for. They have the little stick. So they must be a cleaner for something, but I have no idea why I ordered these. So I'm gonna have to look up and see what they are. And yeah, because I don't see a packing slip in here. So I have no idea what these things are for. So I'm gonna have to check it out. And then I ordered a bigger scrubby thing, you know, because I need more for the floors and stuff like that. And I'm not sure, it said, because they weren't that much, how long they would last. So I have that. And then I got some for sending out friend mail and stuff. I got some heart stickers. So I just have to, when I go to post the video, I have to figure out what these things are for. And I thought I ordered more, but I don't know. Maybe it's coming in another package with the packing slip. So the stickers were like $1 or $1.50. I don't think they say anything on there. So, but I can't wait to try these foot masks. I mean, I get sheet masks all the time in boxes, but they don't always include a good foot mask. And I thought the shirt was fun, but it's, you know, kind of polyester-ish. So let me know what you thought of my first haul. As I said, I have another one. In that haul, I ordered, I think like 3 shirts, you know, like normal shirts. And now I'm kind of afraid that they might not fit me. And I did order them in like a double extra large because I know they're coming from China and they fit kind of small. So, and now I have to spend the day with my mats, and I'll let you know how they work out. So again, thank you so much for watching and taking the time out. And if you guys get a Temu, make sure you let me know so I can watch yours and see what fun stuff you get, and trying to figure out what the hell I ordered these for. So have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.